What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about kettlebell rotational squats, okay? So, for a kettlebell rotational squat, we're gonna start with our normal squat stance, and then you're gonna go a little bit wider, about a half foot to a full foot width outside of what your normal squat is, okay? From there, we're gonna come down and throw that kettlebell into a front rack position. We're holding the hosels, so our hands are on the side, nice tight grip. We're gonna keep that kettlebell nice and close to the chest, elbows pinned to that rib cage and that medial line. From here, you're going to go into a normal squat, so we're throwing those hips back and sitting into it. At the bottom of the squat, we are now going to add a rotation. So I'm gonna start with my right foot. I am going to press more weight onto my toes, so my heel's lifting off the ground slightly, and then I am going to rotate my knee into the arch of my left foot. Notice, heel is high. I'm going to rotate back, plant that right foot, put more pressure back on the heel, come onto that left toe, rotate the knee to the arch of the foot and back before I then stand. That is one rep. In real time. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.